Today I'll show you how to create 6 super easy claw clip hairstyles that you can recreate in less than 1 minute. So let's jump in. For the first one, we want to bring all our hair back and we want to twist it downwards like I'm showing. Then you want to use a long claw clip like I'm showing and fix this twist in place. Now you want to continue twisting your hair up and underneath the claw clip to fix it. So basically you want to twist it several times if your hair is longer than mine. Next, we want to bring all our hair to one side and then we want to simply make a twist and braid with it. Tie it to prevent it from unraveling and you want to pull it a bit to make it fuller and voluminous. You want to bring your hair from both sides, use a claw clip to fix it so it will be nice and secure. Then you want to bring your braid up and into our claw clip and fix it in place. Also guys, if your hair is longer than mine, you want to wrap it several times around your claw clip. For the next one, we want to make a middle ponytail. And then you want to make an opening and bring your ponytail through this opening up, making sure everything is nice and smooth. You want to bring all the hair down and fix it with a smaller claw clip. I used this form of flower. Then you want to bring your ends up and under your claw clip. And if your hair is longer than mine, you want to bring it under your bun created and fix it with your claw clip. Done. Next, you want to tie all the hair into a low ponytail. Then making an opening, you want to bring your hair up, creating a loop. Now, you want to twist your loop until you cover your elastic, till your ends will be up like I'm showing, and fix it in place using a claw clip. Next one, you want to gather all the hair, making a half up updo, and then you want to twist your hair to one side, wrap it around your claw clip, fix it with this claw clip, wrap it around again, and fix it in place using this claw clip. For the next one, we want to gather all our hair into a low ponytail. Make sure to twist your hair downwards and then creating a bun. You want to bring the ends through this created circle and bring your ends up and under your bun. And you want to fix it from the side using a claw clip. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. Please don't forget about like, subscribe for more videos, but that's it for today. And love you so much and see you soon in my next one. Bye!